Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using a good day, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our punching, and I have the 1 1/8 scallop punch, and then I have a piece of Whisper White. Just gonna pop that out. And then I have the 1 3/8 scallop punch. And a piece of Coastal Cabana. Alright, and so we are using a good day, and we're going to be using this little drink, and here's to a good day. And so I have the drink mounted on clear block A, and I'm going to come in with my lemon lime twist. And I'm just going to stamp it right here in the center. Oops. Just like that. And then I have a piece of the gingham Gala, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And then I have our sentiment mounted on clear block G, and I'm going to come in with the Coastal Cabana. And I just want it here in the bottom. Alright, so we can start putting this card together. I'm going to come in with some blue dots here. And then we're going to layer this just like that. And let's see, I have my Coastal Cabana and Granny Apple Green reversible ribbon. And let's see, I just want to cut a small piece. And then I'm going to put some tape right here on the back. Alright, and then I'm going to come in with my snail. And then our mat is Coastal Cabana, and that is cut at 4 1/4 by 5, or 4 by 5 1/4. Alright, and then we're going to put some more adhesive over here. Alright, and our card base is lemon lime twist, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. Alright, so just like that, I'm going to pop up our little limeade with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And there you have it, a quick and simple card to wish somebody a good day. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!